Hi, it's Kara, and today I wanted to talk about custom cards. There are a lot of different places that you can find custom cards on the internet, but I suggest to find your custom cards from your photographer. I know it's a big surprise. We at Powell Photography do custom cards for holidays, for birth announcements, pretty much for anything you need. Save the dates. We can do flat cards that are perfectly rectangle, that have little shapes. We can do folded cards. We can do extreme folded cards. We can do birth announcements that are flat, of course. Have the shape, the extreme shape. We can do them in multiple languages. We've done that before. Another option you have with us is we have affiliate sites. Affiliate sites are just sites we have partnerships with. We have partners with Minted. Minted is just a higher end of another site. So when we have relationships with them, we can send our files with to those sites and you get a discount. So Minted and Shutterfly have discounts all throughout the year for different seasons, for different holidays. So if you already have your files, like many of you do, you can go to those sites through our site. You can go to Powell Photography/resources, or just go to Powell Photography, and up at the top you'll find the resources page, and you'll see all the different affiliates we have. So why do I suggest going through your photographer rather than just going to any site directly? Because your pictures will look exactly like the pictures that your photographer sent you. If you go to Walmart or Costco by yourself, your pictures may turn out green or washed out or some awful different color. If you go through our professional site, they will look gorgeous like they always have through us. Hope that helps. If you need anything, have questions about that, just let me know. You can either email me through this video or just text me. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.